have reached Thangu. Opened our luggage. Bike is empty. The view behind is amazing. Now we are off to an amazing place known as Kala Patthar. Let's see how amazing it is. I have to wear my helmet. Everything is wet. Best part is open my luggage. Okay uncle, bye bye. Finally the rain has stopped. Amazing view. Rain has stopped. The sun is there somewhere, but it is not coming out. It is almost 1:20 right now. Good afternoon, my friends, my fellow riders. Welcome to Unshaved Baba Vlog. Okay, now so the scene here is, everything you see around is black. The whole scene seems very dangerous because it can come down anytime. Anytime. Look at the terrain. Somewhat better. This is all clouds here. राजू काला पत्थर इधर, काला पत्थर, काला पत्थर इधर से। थैंक यू। All the riders have finally crossed Thangu. This is my third time in Sikkim and third time I think my destination is reachable. I can touch my destination. This is Wasim on a Dominar. Sadiq da, Hyper Rider Sadiq on a Dominar. That is Shayon with Boris Das X-Pulse, and that is our captain, Mr. P. Barik, Motology Adventures with Shayon's bike. We are heading towards Kala Patthar. It has stopped raining. Barik is on Shayon's bike because Shayan is not being able to push the bike. Oh my god, look at the mountains. Like that! পাহাড়টা দেখে কি ভয় লাগছে? এই করো না আর্মি এরিয়া। Look at the mountains. It is just from the movie Long Island. And PWD, the army has done a remarkable job making this road. Oh my God, look at the terrain. It is just beautiful. It is just beautiful. পুরে সর্বনাশ, কি দেখতে বাড়িটা। The army has made amazing road here. Remarkable road made by the army. It is can't believe, it's unbelievable that after that road we are on a road where you can pull 100 on a Dominar. As usual, Barik Da with his big photography. That's Sadiq Da. এটাই কালাপাত্তা না? বাইক দা টানবো 100 তুলবে 100। Me and Barik Da in Chopta Valley. না ঠিক আছে। Motology Adventures Chopta Valley done. This is Chopta Valley. Actually the problem is Shayan's bike, the impulse is not getting enough power to cover this road. This is the amazing Chopta Valley, as you can see here. Good morning, people. We are at Thangu right now. It is around 14,000 feet of elevation. It is extremely cold. Yesterday night was almost 6 to 8 degrees. Today it is around 6 o'clock, 5:45, 6 right now. We have planned to go to Gurudongma. How did we get permission to Gurudongma? It's a very long story. First I'll show you the view from here. It is completely covered with fog. It is raining, it is stopping, it is raining, our bikes are completely drenched. What happened was, Gurudongma is closed for 6 months because the bridge what you take to go to Lachin is completely shattered by the river and the rains and the harsh weather. As the SDM of Mangan issued the pass, we went forward towards Lachin. No cars, I mean to say, no cars were going to Lachin. Everybody was turning towards Lachung. We were stopped by the army. They said that the bridge is broken, you cannot go forward. But we saw that there is another road through the army campus. So there was somewhat light of hope
but we weren't allowed. No citizen, no tourist was allowed to the army campus, because when they had already issued pass to the army campus, what happened was few bikers went inside, stopped, smoked. That was caught on the CCTV of the army, and they had stopped tourists for that. We reached the temporary army campus towards Lachin at 3 o'clock. We stood there for like 2 hours. 5 tak we waited. Then a commander-in-chief came and told us ki if you want pass, you can just go on. Once you can try and go and talk to the SDM of Chungthang. Chungthang is where the road divides from Lachin to Lachung. The road divides from Chungthang. Harikda and Sadida went to the SDM of Chungthang. SDM of Chungthang is an amazing guy. He gave us hope that we can pass. He will talk to the army officials. They will talk to the Gurudwara officials. They will talk to the Gurudwara officials. Even the SDM told us that they will talk to the Gurudwara. But we had come down, checked in a hotel, and still there was hope. The morning we went to the same road again. We were stopped by the temporary army, and we sat there for around 1 hour. There was no network to call the SDM. I had a hope inside me that yes, we can, it might just happen. I was coming up, Barita came down and told me we got the pass. Only 5 bikers were allowed in this season after they had closed the tourist campus. Barikda, Sadikda, Shayan, Wasim and me. Only 5 bikers were allowed. My heart was rushing. Matlab, tuk, 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 tuk. We were allowed to the army gate. We passed through the army gate. We were not allowed to shoot. We were not allowed to film it. It was not allowed because there are some things which I can't say in the video, but it was amazing. The army campus was amazing. We passed through the road. We crossed the bridge the army had. And then we were off to Lachin. From Lachin, we had a breakfast. The whole road is empty. There are nobody in this route. Only 5 bikers. And then from there we came to Thangu. We unloaded our luggage. Then we went to Kalapathar. That you must have already seen in my previous episode. Kalapathar was dangerous, man. So today morning we are off to try for Gurudongma, to conquer Gurudongma. So Gurudongma it is. See you in Gurudongma.
साला फंस गया सेकंड गे फॉल्स के যাচ্ছে জুতো ফুটো এত টাইট মানে ওই মারতে গিয়ে না মাথাটা চলে গেছে বাইকের উপর বসে সব ঠিক
আমার বাইক তো খুব ভালো যে উঠছে তা না
we are on our way to Gurudongma. You can see the terrain is absolutely muddy and slushy. The terrain is absolutely muddy and slushy with big potholes. This indicates that Gurudongma cannot be just gone. It has to be achieved. In this weather condition, 5 bikers from Kolkata were only allowed to go to the lake premises, but still lot distance to cover. The weather seems to be calm right now. It is not raining that much. I just pray that the weather gets cleared as we go up. Nobody is here except us. We are the first 5 to be allowed by the army. Thank you, army. Gurgaon is just 11 kilometers. Look at the amazing road here. It is still raining. Only 5 allowed, only 5 bikers allowed, and it is an amazing feeling for me. I have been trying for 4 years, but I'm not being able to go. 4 years I've been trying, but I'm not able to make it. This year finally, I'm going to Gurgaon.
బయటికి వెళ్తాం.
Welcome to Gurudanglar. Road to Gurudanglar is from here.
But gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this